Hello, my best friends. This is my second YouTube video, and honestly, I have no idea what I'm going to make today. But that's part of the fun, right? Let's just dive in and see what happens. Today I'm diving into a really challenging material, Papier-Mâché. It's tough, unpredictable, and honestly, it keeps you on your toes. The idea for this sculpture came from thinking about balance and a playful vibe. I wanted it to feel alive and dynamic, so I started carefully with the base, because everything depends on it. Once the base was solid, I moved on to the legs, arms, and finally the energetic face. Every step had its challenges, but that's exactly what makes working with papier-mâché so fun. Stick around to see how this little character finds balance in its tiny world and comes to life. Now let's get into the fun details. Choosing colors and textures. Each layer of paint gives the sculpture even more personality. The cool thing about papier-mâché is that it can be unpredictable. Some parts crack, some stay soft, and that's what makes every piece truly unique. After painting, it's time for the tiny tools. I used a fine brush and a few simple tools to add details that bring even more movement and energy. And when the final face came together, honestly, it was a magical moment. If you want to see how this little character eventually balances on its base and starts to come alive and catch a few hidden papier-mâché tricks that most people don't know, make sure you watch until the very end.